Even if you watch TV only occasionally, you will have seen at least one breakfast cereal advertisement recently. Most of them promote the health-giving benefits of buying that relatively expensive, colourful box. The reality is that some of them are little more than sugary, salty snacks, with little nutritional benefit other than the added vitamins and minerals. How can you sort out the truly healthy from the just well-marketed but unhealthy varieties? Here are some guidelines to help you get the best value for your money and the health of your family. Many cereals contain added vitamins and minerals. In some cases, this is about their only health benefit. Look beyond the marketing message and study that nutrition information label before you choose. The nutrition information panel is actually your best guide to the true health value of that cereal. Serving sizes vary, so always compare looking at the quantity per 100 grams column on the right-hand side of the table. The main numbers you need to look at are the quantity of fiber, sugar and salt, sometimes listed as sodium. Full of fiber? Most cereals contain fiber either in its natural form, but not all. A high-fiber cereal will contain at least 5 grams of fiber per 100 grams. We all need 25 to 35 grams of fiber every day, so the right choice of breakfast cereal can really boost your fiber intake. It might be naturally sweet, but still too sweet. Some apparently healthy cereal choices, like muesli, can be a hidden source of extra sugar due to the dried fruit content. The New South Wales, Australia, Food Authority classifies food as high in sugar when it contains 10 grams or more of sugar per 100 grams. Sugar is also often added to cereals promoted for children as they are naturally drawn to the sweet taste. Watch out for salt too. Seems odd that a breakfast cereal could contain salt, doesn't it? And yet my brief cereal survey revealed that some of them contained almost as much salt as a fast food hamburger. This could be a problem if you're focused on lowering your blood pressure. Salt is sometimes added as a flavor balance to prevent a sickly sweet taste from the added sugar. Food is classified as high in salt when it contains more than 500 milligrams per 100 grams. Time to do your own survey. If you're interested in locating the best quality, healthiest breakfast cereal for your family, leave the kids at home and take a pen and paper with you to the supermarket. You might be surprised at what's actually in that box.